Namaskar. Welcome to the session Burning Issues. This video is helpful for pre and mains both. The article in this video contains the facts analyzed by the experts. And here only important lines are written in the slides which can give you an idea while writing mains. So, let's begin the session. Okay, today we will discuss on the death of George Perry Floyd. He was an African American man killed by police in Minneapolis, a city in US, during an arrest. Here one thing to remember, Minneapolis and St. Paul, these are two cities in US which are known as twin cities. Okay, and this death has sparked global protest and confronted other countries with uncomfortable truths. So, firstly, we would know about the incident which took death to Floyd. Okay, so what was it, the incident? Floyd was arrested on a charge of passing a counterfeit. Counterfeit means fake currency to be given to someone to pay, and it was $20 bill at a grocery store. And according to the store clerk, the bill was an obvious fake, and Floyd had refused to return the purchased cigarettes when challenged. So this was the initiation of the incident. He died after Derek Chauvin, a white police officer, pressed his knee to Floyd's neck for 8 minutes and 46 seconds during the arrest. It means that we can say this was almost unknowingly by the police officer, but whatever happens, who knows. And this was the incident which took Floyd to death. George Floyd's name is now known around the globe. His death has sparked protests from Berlin to Mexico City. The extraordinary cruelty of his killing has shocked the world. But his death has resonated so widely, not because it was exceptional, but because it was not exceptional in the US, where the toll of African Americans who have died at police hands is long and shameful, and not, unfortunately, exceptional elsewhere. This line was 12 times said by a person, an Aboriginal man, David Dungay, and he was also dragged to death while he was just taken to a different cell when he refused to stop eating a packet of biscuits. Only he refused to stop eating a packet of biscuits, and he was given a sedative injection and by a health nurse, justice health nurse actually, and he said this line 12 times that he couldn't breathe before losing consciousness and dying, and he died. So this was really very sad, and these incidents are continuously going on, and really this is an issue which to be discussed worldwide and to be think over. So let's proceed. Black Lives Matter. Indeed. To say that Black Lives Matter is not only to demand that they are not stolen, but to insist that they are truly valued. No one expects this to be realized overnight. But nor are they willing to wait. The breadth of the protest is testament to what has gone wrong, but also a promise that change is possible. The protests are black led but multiracial, showing the growing breadth of support. As in the US, white people are seeking to be allies. Other people of color are identifying with black experience while recognizing that they too many benefit from racial hierarchies and may themselves discriminate. Mistakes will be made, but progress can and must be made too. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video with another burning issue.